खलो जा आईफोन दी अनबॉक्सिंग करनी है। खलो जा कैमरा। So this was the 15 Pro Max unboxing. Items that you're gonna get in the box. The box is still quite fat. There's only one cable, that's it, and some booklets, and it's still very fat. Unboxing iPhone अब सिर्फ unboxing नहीं है बल्कि tradition है जो कि हम yearly celebrate करते हैं in September. There's a lot to look into when you open an iPhone device or any Apple product. Let's roll over to review the device without wasting much of the time, but please subscribe the channel. I had made a detailed review of iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max if you have watched my previous iPhone video. In this video, I'm gonna give you my first impression, and at the end, I'm gonna share with you a solution to improve the durability of the back glass of the device. My first impression toward the device, it's definitely a solid build and fits really well in my palm. Honestly, I didn't like the 12, 13 and 14 Apple iPhone models because of the sharp edges, but holding down this phone, it's curvy, it's really fit in your palm. The other thing that I noticed in the design wise, but I think that's almost same in the 14 Pro Max, that it loves the fingerprint. This device is a fingerprint magnet. Almost any way I touch, it takes a fingerprint. Keep a cotton or a microfiber cloth with you at all time to keep removing those fingerprints. Frame is already made with titanium aerospace compared to the surgical grade metal that they've used in the previous devices. The one I have is a natural titanium color, and it's also 256 GB. That's a Pro Max base model. iPhone 15 Pro does not have a 3.0, so only the Pro Max gonna get the USB 3.0 fast data transfer. I'm not gonna use the charger cable that comes with the box. I'm gonna use the MacBook charger, which is 30-watt action button. It's quite helpful. There are functions that you can able to change that in the settings. There was a bit of heat coming from the backside, but the moment I updated to the latest version, which is 17.0.3, let me just reconfirm, 17.0.3. So after that, there is no issue that I find of the heat. So it's already rectified by Apple. Performance wise, you will not feel so much difference compared to your 14 Pro Max devices, but the moment you go into the gameplay, you will see the difference. कुछ games हैं जो इस device में आने वाली हैं, which are the console based games, जिसमें Assassin's Creed and Resident Evil जो हैं ये दो already announce कर दी गई हैं, which gonna come I think end of this year or starting of next year. So can't wait to play that game and see how the graphic and gameplay is on this device. So buying this device for me is now end of the cable clutter. I just have to carry one cable of USB 3.0, or I just carry a MacBook charger with me, and I can able to charge this, the MacBook and the iPad anytime I want to. So no more cable clutters. All I need is now carry one charger, one USB cable. That's it. My solution to protect and improve the durability of the back glass is a use of ceramic shield. So what Apple does is this, that they have installed the ceramic shield on the front of the device, and there is no ceramic shield at the back of the device. So all you guys need to do is to improve and enhance the durability of the back glass. Apply 3 layers or 1500 of nanometer of the hydrophobic glass ceramic shield behind it. It's gonna cost you perhaps $10 to $20 per device if you can go and check with your nearest mobile shop or trading shop. If you're in Dubai, message me up and I'll recommend you to a shop who is actually applying those nano protections, ceramic protections at the back of the device, and that will definitely gonna help you protect your device and all. If you are using the device without the case, I won't recommend you to keep these devices at the back of the pockets or the jeans if you're wearing jeans, even in the front of the pockets. But with the case, I think it will not be an issue. It will gonna work really fine for you. It's better to put that nano ceramic shield of 9H or 1500 nanometers at the back side of the glass to protect your device from any cracks or damages. So please subscribe and keep watching my channel, support my channel as well. I'm gonna make more videos of Apple with my experience and all. I'm gonna compare it with the 14 Pro Max as well. That is gonna come very soon. So take care guys. See you.